Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Learn with Manu. So in this video, as I have mentioned in the previous video, that I will be creating series of videos to explain how to create this base game start to end. So first of all, we need a screen to create on. So in this video, we will show you how to create a screen and adding caption. So um, now let me go to the ideal. One sec. So I'll go down ideal here. Here I'll go to the file. It's available in the title bar. Open as new file. I will rename it as. One sec. I'll just see what I will rename this. Main.file.py. I'll save it as it, so that you'll get main5.py. Now first, to actually, as discussed, we are going to use pygame module to create this game. First we have to import it import pygame module so that it will be available for this program. So let me first import the pygame, sorry. Yeah, imported the pygame. Now the next step is to initialize the program to make use of it. So now let me initialize my pygame. We'll say it as pygame dot init. Init means initialize, guys, so don't worry of it. Don't be tension that why did you use init. And now let's add a comment as screen creating, because now we are going to create a screen. Screen creation. Now let's start creating the screen. So first we will create a variable called screen. We will say here, we will say it as pygame dot display. So the another meaning for screen is display, so I'm using display here. Actually that's the rule, I'm just explaining you. Here set, here underscore more. Yeah, and I'm using here tuple brackets, because we are assigning two numbers. Two strings, integers. So the first value will be for width, and the second one will be for height. So the width will be as 800 and the height will be as 600. Now let me click enter here. It has been modified. Yeah. So next, let's create another comment as game logic here. Yeah. So before we go to the game logic, let's run the program and see whether how it works. So first I'll save it. I already renamed it. Now let me run the module. Why did I got a syntax error? Module not found error. Yeah guys, because in ideal pygame is not available in Mac, so I think we'll go to the terminal. Let me open my terminal. First we will go to this is another way to open terminal. Okay, so let me enter. I don't know what happened here. One sec. Okay, cancel. I have got it again. Here I will say it as not main dot 3 fine dot py. Now let me enter it. Yeah. Oh no, what happened? Where's the screen, guys? Oh yes, don't worry. Whatever we assign to the computer, it does it. So it did correct because first it imported the pygame and then it initialized it and then it created a screen. We didn't write any logic for the screen to stay in the place, so it just came and went off. So that's how the Python works. Let me again enter here. See, as you can see here, it pop out, a pop-up box, as you can see there. So it just pop up and went, pop and went. So to make the screen stay at one place, we have to create variable called running, and you will know why we are creating this running variable. Here I listened as the value will be as true, and the next one we will create a while loop. So I will say it as while running in the sense the variable which I have created. I'll again add a a colon. So colon makes the logic to run because as you can see here, because of colon, the cursor had came inside the run. So when running is true, it performs a logic. But if I have deleted this colon and if I have entered, you will see that the cursor is at while. That means it would get a syntax error that you made a mistake, that you didn't keep a colon. So don't forget of keeping colon. Now let me click enter here, and now let me say a command called for loop. I'll create a for loop, and here I will say it as event in. It just in the previous video of introducing of turtle, I have introduced of a for loop, right? Means for x in range of 100. So this is another way of, this is the same example here. So for the variable here, the event is a variable in pygame dot event dot get. Yeah, here you can use brackets and colon. So now here for event, whenever you click any of a key, it consider in pygame it considers as an event. So whenever you click a key, it makes a list. So all these, if I click first one as A and then B, F and then H and then etc., because I can't write all the ones, but I'll just write it. And then here these all three, these three keys will be actually considered as events in pygames. So these all events will be stored in a list or called pygame.event.get. So I will delete this, and when these lists are when these events are in the list, you will use a if condition again. Here in the if event, one sec, ty type double equals to pygame.quit. One sec. Dot. Here we have to use capital letters for quit. So I'll just write QUIT, quit. Oh sorry, didn't consider this. Yeah, I completed. And now let me explain this statement. So whenever you click an event, double equals I mean, you in our human lives, we is equal to is for comparing in math, right? So here double equals to is for comparing in Python. That's really cool. And if even dot type, if I type a, and here it's quit in a sense X button, as you can see here, a red color X, and it compares a and X. If it doesn't match, it delete it. Doesn't perform anything. I mean, it goes to the next digit, whatever you have. The next one is F. It is wrong. Then H. It is. And finally, you actually enter cross button. I mean, this button. It closes the. It. I mean, it closes the quit. I mean, quit and quit both are match, right? So it just closes the window. And then this is not all yet. It doesn't close here. It just compares what to do. It compares that both are okay, so both are equal. Quit is equal to quit. So correct. And then it doesn't know what to do. So to what, if we need to say computer to log out, I mean, to make this running all false, we need to again create a variable. Insert. Here I'll say it as running is equal to false. So false should always, F should always be in capital, otherwise you'll get a syntax error. Again, yeah, one sec. I'll save here and then I'll run it. As you can see here, we got an invalid syntax error. I don't know why we got it, because we didn't use here column. It didn't assign to this one, so I'll just delete here. Insert. So one, I will just recheck it if it works. Yeah. Now let me save it and then let's run in the terminal. So don't forget, because you have to use terminal. Yeah, you got a window perfectly. Yay, very great, right? You can finally see your window here where the game will execute. So um, here you can see it's actually in the title. Here you can see it as pygame window. I don't like this name. How do you? I think you also don't like. Give it in the chat box if you don't, or if you like it. I don't like this because our game is not pygame window. Our game is actually space game. So I will actually add a caption. As I have mentioned you that we are in this video, I'm also going to tell you how to add a caption. Now let's add a caption then. I'll give some space so it'll be easier to find out and it'll be even a little clarity. Say adding caption. Um Here, as we already create the screen variable, I will directly give it as the pygame. I'm really used to Python, and I'm getting confused of pygame and Python, because even this is the first time for me, as you all guys. Display dot set underscore. Here I won't use mode. I'm going to use here captions because we are going to add captions. Let me write captions. Yeah, I mean captions, sorry. Yeah. Here if you want to add a caption, I'll add here. I will add it as space game because we you can choose any of the title if you want. I'm just going to sorry give it the name as space game because it looks more cooler in this way. I love this name, and it took me a lot of time to uh, create this name. So we'll cross button, and now let me run this again. Oh, one sec, I just forgot. We haven't saved this yet. So first we actually have to save this file. I have saved it now, and now let's execute. Yeah, we got it. You got a perfect space game. In the previous time, you actually got pygame window, but now you got space game. So I think we have successfully created our um, a basic. I mean, this is not all for basic because there is a lot more to learn in the upcoming videos. So hope you enjoy my video, guys, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to add a background and how to add a icon to your caption. So hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and always stay happy and be safe. Bye guys.